Hello everyone. I cut two 18-centimeter circles. I'm going to put right sides together and sew all the way around. I sewed all the way around, fold it in half, fold it again, and make a mark here in the middle. I pull. I separate the two fabrics, and I make a notch at this marking right here in the middle. I adjust it here with the scissors to make everything just right. I'm going to tuck this opening inside. I fold it in half. I fold it again. I gather it in the middle like this. Check if it's lined up right. Now we're going to put a little bit of glue. To make the leg, I cut a 30-centimeter cotton cord. And for the little shoes, two 6-centimeter felt circles. I fold it in half. I fold it here again to know where the middle is. A little bit of hot glue. I position the cord. There. Now we do it like this. Look. Make a little fold here, and it will turn into a little shoe. Fold it forward a little. Done. It's that simple. The same thing on the other side. I bring the cord together here very neatly, so I know where the middle is. A little bit of glue. Put some glue here. I'm going to place this leg there, all the way down inside. Look. Right there, nice and straight. And press here to glue it. To make the arms, I cut a cotton cord of 24 centimeters. I tied a knot at each end. A little bit of glue. I press this knot together. I look right here to see where the middle is. I fold it here so I know where the middle is. And I position it back here. Hold it so it doesn't move out of place. And a little bit of hot glue. I cut an embroidered strip that's 30 centimeters long, and I'm going to baste all the way around. I basted it. I pull it. I add a small stitch to finish. I cut a 9-centimeter cotton circle. I made a yo-yo. I filled it with lots of fiber fill. I cut 30 strands of yarn, each 20 centimeters long, and I tied them in the middle. I arranged this little bit of hair up like this. A little bit of glue. Glue the head here. Now we're going to fix the hair like this, see? and we're going to apply the glue. I remove the hair. A little bit of glue. Fix the hair up. And I'm going to tie it here in the middle. To make the bangs, I wrapped it around my finger 6 times. I tie it in the middle and cut the tips. This doll will be ready in no time. If you're enjoying this video, like, share, and leave a comment. I'm very grateful, and I hope you'll visit my blog too, okay? JanildaFerreira.com. Go check out my blog. I'm sure you're going to like it. There are new things there, lots of good tips, like how to price your work, how to choose materials. There's a list of suppliers on my blog. JanildaFerreira.com. A little bit of glue. Press it and wait for it to dry. Hold it for a little while. On this channel, I show how to make this flower. Just search Janilda.
Janilda Ferreira.
Ribbon flower. I'll also put it in the description. I drew the little face with the Micron 005 pen. I'll leave the link for you to buy it right below the video. This pen helps a lot. Look how beautiful it is, girls. There's nothing underneath here. And it looks like this, see? Sitting down. So cute. I'm in love. If you liked this video, if you enjoyed making this little doll here, then I'm sure you're going to love the Little Ones collection. I'm going to put the video here for you, telling you everything about the Little Ones collection. I'll see you in the course. This is the Little Ones collection. Nina is 11 centimeters tall and is completely handmade. Using Nina's pattern, you can make Nina, Little Angel, Little Country Girl, Rapunzel, Bohemian Girl, World Cup fan, seamstress, cook, and whatever else your imagination tells you. The course comes with lifetime access. It's yours forever. There's a video lesson with the entire step-by-step process, and the patterns are in full size for printing. And that's not all. There's a lesson on how to make the scented doll, how to make fragrance for the packaging, and how to make a country girl doll, a recycled one to create beautiful kits with the Nina doll. Pricing guide. With this guide, you'll never lose money again. You'll learn how to price things the right way, how to create kits that sell and make more money, and there's also a certificate of completion. Look how beautiful it is. I want to see your name here. What are you waiting for to learn how to price things, to make all these beautiful things? Click the link below and come craft with me. Just sign up.